2006 BMW. Modified lights, modified plates, everything, all kinds of stuff. Putting a new clutch in. This is my son's. I'm helping him get out a stuck bolt back of the engine. And he's got a hand crank, not a hand crank, but a hand brake thingy there. And doing all kinds of stuff to it. Got special tools for it. Pretty nice looking motor, actually. So I got to get the PV blaster and a broken cross-threaded bolt under the car. And let's see how that looks. There it is right there. PV blast it, and I'm going to grind a square on it and grab a hold of it and try to get it out of there. Yes, sir. Let's give it a shot.